And in terms of ETH, I think it's either got two options to play. So we've either got a potential bounce around here, because remember that we have a bit of a lid on the market here around 1350. So we could make, we could pivot around here on the way back down, or this little sort of double bottom-ish thing could play out. And if that did happen, then we'd see sort of a run up to the 1800s. Now at that point, if we get up to the 1800s, as I said last night, I'd sell that ETH that I've got. But if we do get up to there. But long story short, around the end of the month, I want to try and look at getting rid of that ETH. But I guess it's just a matter of timing at the moment. So either way, I'm still rather bearish. I could pretty much sell that ETH that I've got. Mind you, it's only 10% of the pot. I could sell it now and have a minor haircut. This big line here, which probably doesn't make sense, that's a log line. So if we look at the logarithmic chart, which you do need to cast your eyes on every now and then, it's this level here. So a lot of people won't be looking at that, but I think it's still, and that's the reason why I said we should be potentially moving up into sort of maybe the 1800s, if we were to do that. Remember, although it's only basically 2 touch points, or I guess you could do this and say it's got, move this up a bit and say, hey, it's actually got 3 touch points. It's still a valid line. And remember, trend lines like this are big magnets. The market is always wanting to try and drag the price up back into these levels. So, and again, when you're looking at the log chart, we've got another level here around sort of the 1500. So that's one of the other reasons why I'm sort of sitting tight and not basically just dumping out just yet. I think there's potentially more upside to come with ETH, and therefore with some of the other alts.